x times 64 x to the 4 equal to 1. X is what? And x is real number. Okay. For solving this, x is not 0, because if x be 0, left side will be 0, but right side is 1. So we divide both sides by x, it will be 64 to x to the 4 equal to 1 over x. Then in next part, because we have x to the 4, I want to have 1 over x to the 4, so we raise both sides to the power of 4, and it will be 64 to the x to the 4 to the 4 equal to 1 over x to the 4 equal to 1 over x to the 4. In next step, by power rule, we know that a to the m to the n equal to a to the mn. And here, or we can switch also m and n, a to the n to the m. So here, if we switch, here, for 4 and x to the 4, we can switch 4 and x to the 4. It will be 64 to the 4, the x to the 4, equal to 1 over x to the 4. Now we raise both sides to the power of, I want to get rid of x to the 4 here, so I raise both sides to the power of 1 over x to the 4. And if we do this, left side will be 64 to the 4, the x to the 4, the power of 1 over x to the 4. Right side will be 1 over x to the 4 to the power of 1 over x to the 4. Here, by this rule, we multiply x to the 4 and 1 over x to the 4, and left side will be 64 to the 4. 64 is, we can say, it's 8 times 8. Okay, or we can say 8 squared to the 4 equal to 1 over x to the 4 to the 1 over x to the 4. Next step, we can say that 8 to the 2 to the 4, if you use this rule again, it will be 8 to the 2 times 4, which is 8, equal to 1 over x to the 4, the power of 1 over x to the 4. So we conclude that we know that if a to the a equal to b to the b, let me erase this part. We know what? We know that if a to the a equal to b to the b, and b greater than 1, then a equal to b. So here, 8 equal to 1 over x to the 4. So x to the 4 is 1 over 8. So x squared will be, because it's greater than or equal to 0, 1 over root 8. And x should be positive, because if x negative, negative times positive, negative, but 1 is positive. So here, from this part, x equal to square of this, so it will be 4th root of 8. Okay, and you can check it satisfies main equations. If you had questions, send message on my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.